I'm Alicia Aragon, and today I'm so excited I have partnered with COVERGIRL to bring you this easy breezy artsy butterfly look here for Halloween. If you guys want to see how to get this look here, just keep watching. Alright guys, so first off I'm going in with the TruBlend Undercover Concealer in Natural Ivory, and I'm going to use this to prep my lids before we go in with shadow. Today I'm going in with the TruNaked eyeshadow palette in That's Rad, and I'm taking this gorgeous matte teal shade to the inner corner and like half of my lid. And next I'm going in with the TruNaked eyeshadow palette in Dazed, and I'm taking this matte blue shade on the outer half of the lid, and these two colors just blend seamlessly together. You're going to get a nice gradient from one to the next, and then we're going to go in with the purple shade from the Dazed palette and put that on the outer corner and just start winging this out a bit, and then we'll go in with a makeup wipe and just clean up those edges for a nice sharp wing. For a little bit of definition to the eyes, I'm going in with the Perfect Point Plus eyeliner in Black Onyx, and I'm lining the lash line, and then I'm going to go in with this black shadow from the That's Rad palette, and I'm just going to smoke that out and also wing it out to the outer corners. And next I'm going in with Exhibitionist Mascara in Black, and I just love this formula. I feel like it's very buildable and gives me the volume I need. And for my base, I'm going in with the Outlast Extreme Wear 3-in-1 foundation in Caramel Beige. I absolutely love this foundation. It has amazing coverage, and as you can see, it just gives me that glowy finish. And now I'm going in with the TruBlend Undercover Concealer in Golden Natural just to highlight the center of the face, so center of the forehead, bridge of the nose, and chin. And then I will also take that on the under eyes to conceal and highlight, and as you can see, this just blends out seamlessly. Next, I'm going in with the TruBlend So Flushed Bronzer in Sunset Glitz, and I'm just warming up and bronzing the cheeks and forehead. I'll also take a little bit on the jawline as well as a little bit of nose contouring, and I just love how seamlessly this blends into the skin. Next, I'm going in with the TruNaked eyeshadow palette in Smoky, and I'm taking the lightest shimmer shade, and I love how creamy this shadow is. I use this as a highlight for my cheekbones, cupid's bow, and chin. Next, I'm going in with the So Flushed blush in Sweet Seduction, and I just love the gorgeous sheen that this gives me, so taking that to the apples of the cheeks. And then I'm going into the tear duct, and I'm actually using the same shades that we used on the lid. So I first go in with that teal shade, then the blue to the lower lash line, and then the purple to the outer corner just to match the upper part of the eyes. And now I'm creating the bottom wing of the butterfly. I'm starting off with the purple shade, and I'm just really pressing the brush into my skin and dragging out that shadow. Then kind of going back and forth between the blue and the purple. You just want to start building the colors and start blending the two together. Then using a smaller detailer brush, I again press that into the skin and then just drag it up to create those nice wispy shapes, and then filling everything in, blending out the edges with a little bit of black for some definition. Then going back in with the little detailer brush and the purple shadow just to create a little bit more detail. I just really want this look to be nice and artsy, so just get creative with it, go where the brush takes you. Next, I'm going in with the Perfect Point Plus liquid liner in Black Onyx, and I actually use this on a nail art tool just to create a little bit of detailing around the butterfly. Now I'm going in with the Exhibitionist Ultra Matte Lipstick in Thrill Seeker, and this color is absolutely stunning. Just look at that pigment, and I love how comfortable this formula is. Next, I'm going in with the same eyeshadow I used to highlight the face, and I'm taking this to the center of the lips. This is going to give them a more plump and glossy-like appearance, but we're not done yet. We're going in with some cute faux freckles, so I'm taking all the same shades I used on my eyes and just taking that to the cheeks for some adorable freckles, and then I blend that in with my beauty sponge just to kind of press them into the skin. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me, Alicia Aragon, as well as COVERGIRL, and go check me out on Instagram at Lisha Loves Makeup. I hope you guys have an easy, breezy, beautiful Halloween.